monad dedicated video and talking about the allocation, how to get it, where to see it, how to receive it, and all that. So we jump straight to my first thing first. Over on WEEX, which is the trading platform which I use with no KYC required, we have a lot of possibility for you to make money. You go simply by holding 200 USDT, you will get 30 USDT as well. With 1,000, you get 50 USDT. So you have the possibility to create $80, make $80 in 3 days. And guess what? No KYC required. You can do this with 1 account, 2 account, 3 account, available for the UK people, for the US people. This is available for everybody, especially if you're from the United States, if you're American, this is great for you. And I want to go and open a crazy position. So here we go, Ethereum. I have a $2 USDT just to play about it with it. I will put a leverage of 400x because you can put 400x leverage as we see right here. And what do? Do we go long? Do we do shorts? I am thinking open the short with a $2, 400x. We have it over here. You can open 200x leverage position. As we see here, we kind of got it to the right. So should I close it? Should I keep it open? Here we see how, how possible it is. So let me know if you do any trades down below, what you do. But yeah, this is a $2, which, okay, it's not crazy, but it doesn't look like we're going somewhere, guys. This is exciting. I love it. But we need to talk about Monad, so we go and close. We close it quickly, and we got our money back. Next up, as we said, we got this promotion. We got here with a deposit up to 10,000 airdrop over on the red token, 10,000 for the PWE's token. We got another 10,000 worth of airdrop for the clay token. So we got so many, as well as trading competition. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and grab yours because I love it. I love this high leverage trading. Of course, no financial advisor, nothing whatsoever. This is just for fun. And if you want to come and trade with me, make sure to come and join. But talking about Monad, this is the part of the conversation. Now, I also opened a new Discord and Telegram community, absolutely open just today. Free to join, link down below, the first link in the description, and come and join. They're free. We can talk about this. You can ask me for test tokens. As we see here, you can get your first Testnet token from the first link that you will find. And then I can also send you through some of the Testnet token through the link down below, especially from Discord or Telegram. I've done both because I don't know which one you like. But first thing first that you gotta do is to go and trade. So all we gotta do here is to go and trade over with our wallet. So once we land on the Monad Testnet, which you probably have done it already, this one over here, we can go and connect the wallet, connect the MetaMask wallet, click over here, and we are connected. Now we go over to the top and we request our test tokens. If you do it already, congratulations. Otherwise, go on request. And now the first thing first, by simply going down over here, make sure to go and buy a little bit of all of these 3 tokens here, as they are on their official page. It is important that you go and grab it. Here we see that the nonce is the number of transactions, and we need to push the number of transactions up to 200 or 300 or 400. The higher you have it, the more allocation you will get. And this is an easy way to go and grab yourself a few transactions, as well as a few of these tokens, which then we're gonna go and swap back. The second step will be on NAD.fun over here. So link down below. As you see here, extremely easy. You go connect your wallet, which you can go and click and you will do it. Create your token, make a trade, and once here, for example, create your token. Once again, if you want to go and play about it and do it with the community, share your token, come also over with my to my Telegram or to my Discord. We can go and talk about it and we can go and help each other to do all of these things. As we see here, a bit slow because it is on a test token, but simply what we gotta do, we can go, for example, and use one of the thumbnails that I use. We can call it Lorenzo, ticker not punk. I want the ticker to be Lolo just for the fun of it. Description Lorenzo. Again, create how much do you want to buy? 0.01. The minimum is 0.05. So for this one, you actually need a little bit of token. You go and create your token, then you go to the terminal, you interact, you buy a little bit or sell a little bit, create the token. As we see here, buy or sell, up to you which one you want to do it, and you're good to go. So as we see here, for example, people are buying, people are selling. Whatever the amount is, we can go and buy 0.001 monad, place order. buy it, and you're good to go. So simply interact it with over here to buy and sell. Next up we have Kuru, which Kuru is one of those exchanges which you have a pro and a light version. Now the light version, as we see here, it is a simple swap. So go and insert the amount that you want to go and swap, and then select the token. And for example, the 2 red token over here, if it does give you the possibility, you will have the possibility for a route. Now, when it comes to this one over here, the light version, which it is the first one, it doesn't really work great. And go to the pro version on the top left and go and interact as such. So for example, here the Monad USDC, you can go and interact as such in a pro version, which means basically you are selling a token to buy another one. And if we go and sell it over here, for example, the Monad can be 0.01, and we sell it. In this case, as we see here, it is like a swap just in this platform. Now we have the USDC available. We can go and do another one as well to go and repeat the transaction, to have another order submitted within the platform. As you see here, this is mine. And then go over to buy, and you will have the USDC. Now with the USDC, yes, you can keep on doing Monad, you can keep on doing Monad USDC, but as well go and check out for something else. Maybe there is another token that goes with the USDC that gives you the possibility to. If not, go back here and repeat the transaction. So simply buy all of it, buy back your Monad token, depending on which one you want. Click on buy, do the transaction, get your token, kind of like trade it. Of course, this is all our test and this is all free tokens. You know, the only thing that wasn't free is if you want to actually trade on an exchange, for example, WEEX, this is not free, but all of this Monad situation, it is free, which is really, really good to go and do it. Here we got the trades, the open trades, the finished trade, as we see here. And then we got the RBS. Now, this is kind of like, now there's the Champions League going on, for example. So you can go and say, in this case for basketball, you know, all of those things. As we see here, Monad Testnet, account balance, you need to go and deposit on your account. Once you go and deposit on your account over here, as we see, you can add the balance, withdraw to the wallet, add to balance, which add to balance means to simply send from your Monad ecosystem, from your Monad wallet, send it to this address, not this one. This one is mine, the one that you will see for yourself over here, and you will be able to go and grab your token over here. And then you go and say, for example, these players, which I'm not into NBA, you know, more or less than this, and you go and place your prediction. Simple as that. And this is how it works. This is another interaction, which is kind of like the fantasy game, which we've done with a deck of cards, simply more in reality in terms of the actual people. Next up, we got the dusted.app here, and we go and grab it. If you want to go, enter your referral code if you have one. Otherwise, don't worry. If I'm able, I will leave you mine down below. We click over here, Monad, join. Here it is, a dusted.app. And all of this protocol, by the way, if you ask me, how do you find it? Where do you find it? If you go to the Monad page over here, to the landing page, these features app, they change on a daily basis. So these ones are the new ones that you know, are out here today. If we go and look back at the videos of a few days ago, these were all different. And if you want to have even more, simply go down, and these are all the protocol that you can go and do, and even more by simply clicking on explore the full Monad ecosystem. And by interacting with as many as these, if I were you, what would I do? One row at a day. Today you do this one, or the one that we took in the video. Tomorrow you do the second row, and then the third row, and then the fourth row. And you keep on interacting like this. And every of these pages, for example, over here, Kuru is the one we've just seen. We can go, for example, and see Kinza. It takes you directly to the Monad page. You do not have to navigate nor nothing. From the Monad ecosystem page over here, it takes you to the dedicated page that you need to go and see, which is absolutely great to know. And as we said, for example, for Dusted, this is another one. Simply go over here, and it is like a Discord. You can go and chat. You can go and put something on the chat, or hello, whatever you want. Just interact with it, connect your wallet, showcase that you're actually online, have some transaction, or whether it is some connection with your wallet, and you're good to go. You can add a new room, whatever you want. For example, the chalk one over here, and you can go and chat. We got the native one. We have also over here, so we have different rooms, and simply go and chat and interact with this. All the links, you will find them down below. And then we have the LFG, which once again, the LFG, we see it right here. This is one which, as of today, it is highlighted in the main one over here. So simply go do the swaps as we see over here. do all of the swaps, what are, let's say, monad, to select a token, we can go to the APR monad over here. So we can go and select this one, and we can go and put 0.01, and we go and grab this one. Now this, what will it do? Well, this will actually go and do a transaction. If we saw before, for example, with the dusted or the RBS, we didn't really have a transaction placed in order, but with this one we do have it. And here, simply go place the transaction 1, place the transaction 2, for example, wrap the Ethereum as well, and place different one, and go and exchanges. You can go and in and out, or if you find any problem, simply go and change the tokens to the token that you can find, and you are good to go. Of course, once again, everything is on a testnet, so it is a little bit hard to go and do, but you get the situation. It is quite good, easy, and something that you gotta do on a daily, kind of like Plaza Finance. If you made it until the end, go and work on your Plaza Finance, because the airdrop is coming very, very soon. With that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.